Here I have INFINIX Zero 3x552, and today I'm going to show you how to make screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to select screen which you want to capture, and then you have to press combination power key and volume up or volume down once to take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Volume down and power key. You can find your screenshot in gallery. Here you can delete, edit or share the screenshot from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.